All right, let's break this down, step by step. You might think a push-up is just a push-up, but there's a world of difference between doing it right and doing it wrong. So, let's start with the basics. First, find a flat surface. You want to be comfortable, but not too comfortable. A yoga mat or a carpet works well. Now, get down on all fours. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Your fingers should be pointing forward, and your wrists should be aligned with your shoulders. This is your starting position. Now, let's talk about your body. It should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Imagine there's a string pulling your head and your heels in opposite directions. Engage your core. This is crucial. You don't want your hips sagging or sticking up in the air. Keep everything tight. It's not just about your arms, your whole body is working together here. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, lower your body towards the ground. Bend your elbows at about a 45-degree angle. Don't let them flare out too much. Keep them close to your body. Lower yourself until your chest almost touches the floor. Feel that stretch in your chest and shoulders. This is where the magic happens. Hold for a moment and then push yourself back up. Inhale as you rise. Your arms should be doing the heavy lifting, but remember, your core is still engaged. Now, let's talk about the rhythm. It's not a race. Control is key. You want to lower yourself slowly, feeling the muscles work, and then push back up with power. If you're struggling, that's okay. You can modify the push-up. Drop to your knees if you need to. It's still a push-up, just a modified version. Keep your body in that straight line from your knees to your head. Once you've mastered the basic push-up, you can start to explore variations. Try the wide grip push-up. This one targets your chest more. Just move your hands wider than before. Or the diamond push-up, where you bring your hands together under your chest, forming a diamond shape with your thumbs and index fingers. This one hits your triceps hard. And then there's the decline push-up. Elevate your feet on a bench or a step. This shifts the focus to your upper chest and shoulders. It's a challenge, but that's where growth happens. Remember, consistency is key. Start with a few sets of 10, and as you get stronger, increase the reps. Listen to your body, push yourself, but don't overdo it. Progress takes time, and every push-up is a step towards your goal. Embrace the journey.